Today I'm going to share a story with you. Suppose, so let me tell in Bengali, isn't it? It will be better. And after 3 months, you will all understand my English. And that is my personal guarantee to everyone. আচ্ছা ধরো একটা ব্যক্তি তিনি বিদেশে গেলেন after reaching his destination, ওই মানুষটা তার গন্তব্যস্থলে পৌঁছানোর পর he feel যে আমার জল তেষ্টা পেয়েছে। তো তিনি এয়ারপোর্টের বাইরে দাঁড়িয়ে আছেন, বিভিন্ন লোককে জিজ্ঞাসা করছেন। তিনি কিন্তু মনে মনে বাইরে লাগেজ নিয়ে বেরোনোর পরও মনে মনে ট্রান্সলেট করছে উইথ দ্য নলেজ অফ হিজ গ্রামার, যে আমি কীভাবে বলতে পারি। কখনো ভাবছে স্যার ক্যান ইউ গিভ মি সাম ওয়াটার, কখনো বলছে উড ইউ প্লিজ গিভ মি আ গ্লাস অফ ওয়াটার, কোনটা ঠিক হবে। দ্য ম্যান ইজ ভেরি কনফিউজড। কিন্তু ওই লোকটি কিন্তু জল খেয়ে প্রাণে বাঁচতে পারে। একটা সিম্পল শব্দ, হোয়াট ইজ ইট? Just tell it in a proper way. Excuse me, water. Simple word can express your desire. So actually আমি বোঝাতে চাইছি, I always prefer knowing lots of grammar instead of knowing the traditional grammatical rules and formation. Grammar always put an obstacle in your way. Grammar তোমাকে সব সময় বাধা দেবে ইংরেজিতে কথা বলতে, to be confident, to be more confident in English. So today I will give you few ways to improve your vocabulary or stock of words. First, when you see a new words, write the words in your own diary. Try to know the meaning of the words. Second, you better create a new sentence with the help of the word. That's my suggestions to you. এটা আমার পার্সোনাল সাজেশন তোমাদের প্রত্যেককেই। তো আজকে যে শব্দগুলো, today's sessions would be on vocabulary or stock of word. You can say whatever you wish to. So first word would be on night. N-I-G-H-T? No. K-N-I-G-H-T. What would be the obvious meaning of the word night? Night means warriors, fighters, soldiers. Kolkata Knight Riders is my personal favorite player for IPL. So night means Jodha. Second words, mitigate. Mitigate, some of you can pronounce it as mitigate. No, it should be pronounced as mitigate. M-I-T-I-G-A-T-E. Mitigate means, suppose few people are quarreling among themselves and you went there, try to put that quarrel down. That means you can put an mitigations among themselves. তুমি তাদের মধ্যে ঝগড়াটা থামাচ্ছ, সমঝোতা, মানে যেটাকে সমঝোতা বলে, বোঝাপড়া বলে। মডারেট এর প্রপার সিনোনিমস হতে পারে মডারেট, দ্বিপাক্ষিকতা করা, মডারেট, প্রশমিত করা, ঠান্ডা করা। Clear? So mitigate means প্রশমিত করা, ঠান্ডা করা, and proper synonyms of the word is moderate. Third word is bouquet. Bouquet, B-O-U-Q-U-E-T. Bouquet means a bunch of flowers that can be presented to some of your close and near ones. That means ফুলের তোড়া তুমি যদি কাউকে দাও সেটা বুকে হবে। Proper pronunciation bouquet. Next word is fertilizer. Fertilizer, I personally prefer the farmers who produce crops, who produce grains for us, and they bring food to our mouth. So I personally respect them and salute them. So farmers can understand the role of a fertilizer. Fertilizer means সার, and you can replace it with proper synonyms, manure. M-A-N-U-R-E, manure. Manure means সার. Clear? Next word would be liability. L-I-A-B-I-L-I-T-Y. Liability. Liability means responsibility. Your parents is taking your responsibility, and I hope that one day it will come that you will be able to take the responsibility or liabilities of your parents. Liability means daitto in Bengali, responsibility. Okay, be a liable person to your parents, be a liable person to your family. So next word is caution. caution. You can see it whenever you enter to an wildlife sanctuary. তুমি দেখতে পাবে বহু জায়গায় ঢোকার আগে cautious লেখা থাকে, সতর্ক বার্তা, cautious. You have to be cautious during COVID-19 virus or during coronavirus. Cautions means সতর্ক থাকা. Okay, next word is, can you tell me the proper pronunciation of the word schedule? It is schedule. Most people pronounces it wrong. It pronounces at schedule, not schedule. Schedule. Okay, clear? Last word is odor. Odour. Odour. Odor means sugandho, scent or scent or perfume or fragrance, you can say. So these are the words. I hope that you all enjoyed my video and the entire sessions. So next time when you will try to imbibe new words, try to make some new sentences. And from today's lessons, you will obviously make some few sentences and try to create new sentences with the help of the word that you have learned in today's lessons.